Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Mathematics. And today we will just learn how the rational numbers are represented on number line and how to find a rational number between two given numbers, two given integers. Okay, so let us find out. Okay, so here I have mentioned topic the representation of rational number on number line, and we have taken three questions which as an example we will solve these questions and we will try to understand the main concept behind this. So happy learning. Let us start now. The first question which we have written over here is that represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 on number line. So let us do one thing. uh, just take the number line, just draw it. Okay, on the number line, this is towards plus x. Mm, yeah, this is towards plus x, this is towards minus x, right? And students, this is origin, this one. So do one thing, from here take the ruler, and from the ruler you just measure 5 centimeter. 1, 3, 4, 5. So here it's 5. So draw a line segment A to B. A is this point. A to B is a line segment whose length is equal to 5 centimeter. Now the step 2 which we will take into care is that divide this 5 into 3 equal parts. Why? Because we need to represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. So just do this. Just divide 5 by 3, 5 into 3 equal parts. We can do like this. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3. When you will add up, you will get 5. Okay. So in 3 equal intervals, you have divided it, right? So we will see how it will happen. Okay. Just we'll take some smaller margin, and we will try to represent it. Okay. So if we'll divide this OB into 3 equal parts, you will take take this one, right? That means this point is B and this point is C. This is like that. From origin to this point is 5 by 3, and from B to C, this point, this is equal to, will also be equal to 5 by 3. Two into 5 by 3, and this point from C to B is C to B, 3 into 5 by 3. So you hope you understand that, children. uh, the distance 5 by 3 is from A to B, that is this distance. I will mark it. This one, this is B. So B is a point which is plus 5 by 3. I hope you got the concept behind, right? Similarly, similarly we do same thing for the negative one, the negative side. On for the negative side, we will take 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. This is minus 5, right? And similarly, we'll divide it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. This is equal to minus 5 by 3. This is equal to 2 into minus 5 by 3. This is equal to 3 into minus 5 by 3, which is equal to 5, minus 5, right? So this is a point, this is a point, let's say it's D, a point which is at a distance of minus 5 by 3. So we can say that this D is minus 5 by 3, right students? So I hope you are able to understand the concept behind that, how we just draw or mark the rational number on the number line. Similarly, we will take another example which we have where the question have been written on my screen, that represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line, right? So for this, what you will do, just draw the number line. Initially draw the number line. Okay, what you will do next after that? What you will do? Yes, after that we will mark 8 from this place. That is from ruler you mark 8. Okay, we have to represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5. So here we have the question 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 to be represented on number line. Okay, this is question number 2, right? So how we will do it? Take the origin, from origin mark a distance, let's say mm, a to b, a to b, which is equal to 8 centimeter, right? So from here, similarly you just mark the same distance into the negative side. Let's say from here to here, right? Fine. So this will be equal to minus 8. So we have to divide 8 into 5 equal parts. Okay, the line segment A to B, and similarly the line segment A to D. A to B and A to D to be divided in 5 equal parts. Why 5 equal parts? Because 5 is the denominator, right? It's a divisor. So we need to divide it. What? We need to divide 5 into, sorry, 8 into 5 equal parts. So how we will do it? Suppose it's from here, suppose we are trying to mark it. So from origin, we'll take 5 equal parts. The AB to be divided into 5 equal parts. How? Let's say 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So we have to take 8 is divided into 5 equal parts, right? So 5 by 8, 8 by 5. 8 by 5 means 8 by 5 is a number which is 80. When 8 is divided into 5 equal parts, that one part need to be taken. Okay, so this is 8 by 5, right? And this will be 2 times 8 by 5. This will be 3 times 8 by 5. This will be 4 times 8 by 5. And this will be 5 times 8 by 5, which will equal to 8. So this point, uh, let's say E. E is a point which is 8 by 5. So we can mark it as like this. E equal to plus 8 by 5. So this rational number is represented on the number line as E, right? Similarly, Similarly, we are drawing. Similarly, we are drawing the negative side. On the negative side, minus x side, minus 8 by 5. How? It is similarly divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this point, yes, the first hop where we are falling in the negative side, this one, let's say f, and this is equal to minus 8 by 5, right? So you need to mark it, f equal to minus 8 by 5, minus 8 by 5. Yeah, it's done. So fine students, I think you are able to solve, you are able to understand the question how we are solving it. For any query, just put up into the comment box. I will try to help you out as soon as possible, and also subscribe to my channel Mathics. Um, uh, this will give a good motivation to all of us, right? So we'll take another question. Question number 3. Find a rational number between two given numbers. Example minus 1 and 7. How we find the rational number between two given numbers? Rational number between two given numbers. This is question number 3. Let's say minus 1 and 7. Students, do one thing, just add both the numbers. Minus 1 to be added with plus 7. These are the two given numbers with us. Okay. What we will do then? Just divide it by 2. This will be equal to 7 minus 1 equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. That means 3 is a rational number between minus 1 and 7. Why 3? Because 3 is a rational number, because 3 can be written in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. P by q, where q not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. Okay, right students? So whenever we need to represent any rational number between two given numbers, just divide it with a number of with the same number of decimal denominator. If you want three numbers between two given rational numbers, then what we will do? Add the both the numbers and divide by 2. If you want three numbers between a and b, suppose this is a first rational number, right? And this is b second rational number. We'll just add it and divide by 2. We'll get this number a plus b divided by 2. Suppose we need to find three rational numbers between a and b. Then how we will find the second rational number? The second rational number can be identified. Just add a plus b by 2, the middle term, and this is divided by 2. We'll get the second rational number, right? Rational number between a and b. Similarly, when we want to identify the third rational number, this can be identified. Just you take this one and this one as end point. Just a plus b by 2, add it with b and divide it by 2, and you will get the third rational number. So similarly, friends, we will be able to identify number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. I hope you are able to understand the concept behind the shared questions. So I will always say to just subscribe to my channel, and for any query, just put up your query into the comment box. I will help you answer. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye.